Shericka Jackson's quest for the sprint double at the 2024 Paris Olympics is indeed a captivating story. Her journey from a 400-meter bronze medalist at the 2016 Rio Olympics to a dominant force in the 100 and 200 meters showcases her versatility and determination. The transition from 400 meters to shorter sprints is a testament to her incredible athletic ability and hard work. The big question is, can Jamaica's Shericka Jackson achieve what only legends have done before? The 2024 Paris Olympics is set to witness history in the making as she aims for the prestigious sprint double. Stay tuned to uncover her journey, challenges, and why she might be the fastest woman on earth. Shericka Jackson would like to join the likes of Olympic legends Fanny Blankers-Koen of the Netherlands, Marjorie Jackson-Nelson of Australia, Betty Cuthbert of Australia, Wilma Rudolph of the United States, Renate Stecher of Germany, Florence Griffith-Joyner of the United States, and her own countrywoman Elaine Thompson-Herah as one of the many women to have won both the 100 meters and 200 meters at the Olympics, more popularly referred to as the sprint double. Shericka Jackson made her Olympic debut at the 2016 Rio Olympics. At the time, she was participating in the 400 meters, an event in which she ran 49.85 seconds to take bronze and silver in the 4x400 meter relay. With 5 years of success and a pandemic later, Shericka Jackson returned to the Olympic stage in Tokyo. However, this time, she was doing the blue ribbon event, which was 100 meters and 200 meters. In the 100 meters, she equaled her personal best of 10.76 seconds to take bronze, while her teammates Shelley and Fraser-Price claimed silver and Elaine Thompson-Herah won gold. This performance dubbed those athletes as the Big Three. After this 100-meter performance, Shericka Jackson decided that she wanted to win gold in the 200-meter race, but slowing down in her heat led to her not advancing beyond that round. To the end of the Tokyo Olympics, Shericka Jackson anchored the gold medal-winning 4x100 meters relay team and earned bronze in the 4x400 meters relay. However, Shericka Jackson felt disappointed that she did not get to the 200-meter final. Now, she is set to return to the Olympic stage as a two-time 100-meter world championship silver medalist and a two-time 200-meter world champion. The Paris Olympics should be the forum for Shericka Jackson to cement her name in athletics history, as she is the only Jamaican woman competing in the 100 meters and 200 meters since Beverly McDonald, who competed at the 2000 Sydney Olympics. With double 100 meters and 200 meters Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah missing the Olympics due to an injured Achilles tendon, Shericka Jackson is now in the driver's seat as the most fit athlete to win that double. So far this season, Shericka Jackson ran 10.84 seconds to win the 100 meters at the Jamaican Olympic Trials and 22.29 seconds to win the 200 meters. Winning the 100 meters and 200 meters at the Olympic Games can be a tedious task. But can Shericka Jackson win gold in both events at the 2024 Paris Olympics? With a 100-meter personal best of 10.65 seconds and a 200-meter personal best of 21.41 seconds, Shericka Jackson will head into the Olympics as the fastest woman in both events. The pressure is on, and Shericka Jackson should deliver when the time comes at the Paris Olympics. Now we want to hear from you. Do you think Shericka Jackson has what it takes to win the sprint double at the 2024 Paris Olympics? Which moment in her journey has inspired you the most? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. As we approach the 2024 Paris Olympics, we are your one-stop for everything Caribbean athletes. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.